Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with this week's scripture writing. What I wrote down, and then we are going to decorate that page. So for July 5th, last Monday, until the Lord removed Israel out of his sight, as he had said by his servants the prophets, so is Israel carried away out of their own land to Assyria to this day. And that was 2 Kings 17:23. And I did make a mistake on one of these days, but I rectified it on the week before. I missed the date, but that's what it was. I didn't miss the date. I put the scriptures in the wrong date. And then Tuesday says, and he did that which was right in the sight of the Lord, according to all that David his father did, 2 Kings 18:3. And then Wednesday was, hear, O heavens, and give ear, O earth, for the Lord hath spoken. I have nourished and brought up children, and they have rebelled against me, Isaiah 1:2. Then Thursday, woe unto them that call evil good and good evil, that put darkness for light and light for darkness, that put bitter for sweet and sweet for bitter. Isaiah 5:20. Whoa. Isaiah 7:14. On Friday, therefore the Lord himself shall give you a sign. Behold, a virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel. And then Isaiah 12:2. On Saturday, behold, God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid, for the Lord Jehovah is my strength and my song. He also is become my salvation. And then Sunday, the 11th, today, how art thou fallen from heaven, O Lucifer, son of the morning? How art thou cut down to the ground, which didst weaken the nations? And that was, I did not put it there, that was Isaiah 14. I forgot that verse. Hold on. Let me see which one that is. And then of course I am going to fast forward everything and decorate my page. So 14:12. So I'm going to write that up there, and then I will be right back after I decorate my pages. I'll put it on fast forward so you can see it. So I'm back. I decided not to use any washi tape today, but I just used a whole bunch of my Maggie Holmes stickers, book number 30, and my little Creative Devotion little background stamps that I use all the time. It comes from that one. And I just kind of stuck it around randomly. Special day, I put on Isaiah 7:14 because he talks about the virgin birth of the coming Messiah named Emmanuel. Some birds and stuff. And then I put a black swan under Lucifer about him falling, and just some butterflies and some just different images just to add something zest to the page. Well, that is my page for today. I thank you for taking the time to stop past and like and watch and subscribe. But what's more important to me is that you take the time to read your scripture, because that's paramount to your life and to your soul. So hopefully you will do that. And this is a great way to use your planner. And this is a happy planner, is to do that. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to read the word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.